welcome to our restaurant.
Yes, hello. How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm really good.
Okay, take a seat, please.
Yes, thank you.
Have you made reservation?
Yes, I have.
Okay, would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please.
Are you ready to the order?
Can I have 2 more minutes, please?
Okay.
For my main course, I would like the fish and dessert. I will have a apple pie.
Okay. Your food is fish and apple pie.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Your food will be finished after 15 minutes.
Yes.
Here your meals.
Yeah, thank you so much. Can I have the check, please?
Okay. How are your meals?
In the list is.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for visiting and supporting to our restaurant.
Yeah, thank you too. Have a good day.